Hello everyone. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we will analyze a news clip from Al Arabiya about Indian Prime Minister's visit to Israel. We will break down the key points, understand the important vocabulary, and discuss about that. I will describe words and phrases very clearly and in a simple way. First phrase is wasala ila. It's used huwa wasala. It means arrive. An example, wasalatul hafilatu ila wijhatiha. Next one is ziyarat. It means visit. An example, zahabtu ila al-Yaban li ziyarati. Next phrase is alqa khitaban. Delivered a speech. An example, Muhammad halqa khitaban bari'an fi hafla. Let's subscribe us for more videos.